Would you like a straw?
Well,
Perfect. There's a lot of ice. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, first question. What do I got?
Yeah.
Oh,
An unidentified substance.
water.
Unidentified substance.
wait 1 second. The principal's talking to me, so I better talk back.
Not the word principles. Stolen again. It's very unfortunate.
It's gonna like. Because I learned.
Sorry, Andrew Cross is trying to jump in on this.
Totally set button out like that. People would come up to me every day at school. They'd rip the thing open, man. And they'd think like, oh man, this is turning on or something. That's what happened.
But when you go looking down like that, and you
So one day I wore my Superman shirt underneath it.
All right, here, let me check if she's in. If the principal's asked me a question, I got to make sure I respond.
I wore my Superman undershirt one day. So they did it.
Dude,
And the
who's
Superman logo was right there.
who's is that? All right. What's going on? Turn it off. This isn't slow jams. All right, check this out. Ready? What do I got here? Come on, what's inside there?
Water with ketchup.
Bottle of water with ketchup. I'm going to squeeze the bottle of water.
Oh.
I'm going to let go of the bottle of water. I'll squeeze the bottle of water.
Watch.
I'll let go of the bottle of water.
Sensitive.
So it's a magical bottle of ketchup.
No.
No, I literally got this bottle. It's magical ketchup.
No, it's because the water.
So you're a wizard?
adding it as you're
increasing
it, it's
pressure.
down the cut. Well, yeah.
So I'm pushing on top. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, but you're making space inside small.
What if I push on the bottom?
I don't know, we should try it.
If you squeeze it hard enough,
Still
it'll
gonna
go.
down.
The pressure increases, so.
Here, I'll let you play with it. You guys come up and tell me what your thoughts are. What's going on? What's the deal?
You need to work those muscles.
Squeezing bottles is an excellent way to build strength.
Come on. I mean, this is.
Together.
It's like the mosh pit. The cells are like banging
Let's
into
pop
each
it.
other more often,
Ready?
and it's like compact.
Yes, pop it right next to your.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Oh,
right.
yeah.
Okay, now we can pop.
That was an off like
Sophia, could you see that, by the way? Here, give me the bottle. I'm sorry, real quick. Master, why don't you come up here and you squeeze the bottle? That way you know I'm not.
You know he's gonna keep you up there,
Wrong
but at
button.
some point he's gonna tell you you don't need to be up
No.
there.
Oh my goodness. Bradley, I'm so sorry.
it begins.
It begins.
All right.
Oh no.
Sophia, Bradley, check this out. Andrew,
What do I do? Do I squeeze it?
you hurt your
That's what he
toes.
said.
Okay. All right. I got Maston up here. Maston, for those of the people
Oh, yeah, that's
online,
what she said.
for those of you people online, Maston, can you describe what you have in your hand?
This is a bottle of water.
It's a bottle of water.
Ketchup in it. A little ketchup packet.
All right. It's not a magical bottle. I just filled it up with water. You guys saw me fill it up with water.
No, technically I didn't.
Well, he saw me.
I
Everybody else.
I
All right.
confirm.
Now, Maston's going to squeeze the bottle. Seriously, it's not. It's. You could just go like this too.
I did, but I made a cool
Mr.
joke.
Dowdy, haven't you heard the song? Wrists. You gotta work those wrists.
I know,
Okay,
man.
all right. So
It's not an exercise.
here's my question for you. Do you guys see what happened? Do you guys understand what's going on?
Totally, my mana's drained.
Maybe if you don't understand what's going on, but do you see what's happening to the thing?
Matt's just learning
Okay.
to squeeze things
All right.
properly.
So what's going on is the ketchup
I'm the
bottle.
best candidate for this.
The ketchup bottle shoots down to the bottom as he squeezes it. What is going on? That's my question to you.
The mosh pit is getting shoved in a tinier
All right,
way.
here, have a seat. Have a seat. Thank you for squeezing the bottle. You can give it to Andre now, and Andre can squeeze the bottle.
Andre, squeeze the bottle.
Andre,
I want to try pop it.
Andre, squeeze the bottom. Seriously, Andre, squeeze the bottom.
Andre?
Yo, Andre, squeeze the bottom, bro.
Let's do it once, man.
Yeah. Oh, take
It might be a
that
good
right
satisfying.
here. Oh, you may drop all the way
Yeah.
down the bottom, too.
Okay,
Bro, I like that.
all right. Andrew Cross says I'm increasing the pressure. Yes, but what does increasing the pressure do?
Oh, I'm not gay.
Creative acting. Did you just say that?
Okay, all right.
Give me the bottle. I'll squeeze it again.
Here, I got a question for you. What's causing the ketchup packet to float right now?
The air inside of it.
There's an air pocket inside of the thing,
That's why the kind of
inside of the ketchup,
sank in the other one.
right?
Because they didn't have it.
Right. I have a whole bunch of.
Speaking to you.
I told you I wasn't using a magic
Official language.
ketchup packet, and I really wasn't.
Bro.
I just asked them for a handful of ketchup, and then I put all the ketchup inside of a bucket, and I saw which one floated, and that's the one I used. So it's not really a special ketchup packet. I just used the one that floated, all right? Because that's the one that just happened to have air inside of it, all right? But when you're increasing the pressure inside of there, what happens to the volume of the gas? Because what's the only gas that's in here? It's the air. So what's happening to the volume of the gas as you increase the pressure?
It's decreasing.
Decreases.
That can is making noise.
Yeah,
Somebody.
I'll get to that can. I'll get to that can in just a second. In fact, I might be burning it pretty soon. I might need to move on to the next direction.
It's about to be. Yeah,
Do you mind
it's,
if I do this one real quick?
Yeah.
All
It's
right.
gonna.
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how to crush a can.
I do that with my foot. You getting your nickel out of this? That scared the
I
poop
knew
out of
it.
me.
Wait, what?
That was
I didn't see
amazing.
that.
so
Can you
cool.
do that again?
Not with this can.
But
Wait,
this can.
I want to record it.
Let's
What?
Needs
He
to get up
does it in
first.
one of the gas law videos.
do me a favor.
I want to record it in person.
Here, I'm going to fill it up with more
It's
water.
not the same if I'm not doing it.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Cameron, can you
Yes.
fill a big graduated cylinder with water?
He does it
All right, here we go.
super fast.
All I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit.
Totally
Of
thought
water
it was
in
boiling
here?
Water.
No, it's not boiling water. It's not boiling yet.
That would have been really cool.
Well, it will boil when I.
My
Yeah,
view,
that one,
you changed
perfect.
for a second there. You're like
All
a
right, I
Russian.
turned my phone off.
Okay.
Tell me.
Anyway,
when
did
you're
you
gonna do
see what happened?
Yes.
That's pretty crazy. Yeah. All right. I'll show it to you again. Give me a second. Let me talk about the Cartesian diver, and then we'll get over to here. Okay. All right. So, this is called a Cartesian diver. What is causing the ketchup to float? It is
The pressure.
no.
The
It's the
air.
air inside of the packet. Perfect.
But the volume of the.
And then there's a volume of air inside of there, right?
Because of the pressure.
When you squeeze it, what happens to the water inside there?
Goes
It increases the
pressure.
pressure. When the pressure goes up, the volume of water or the volume of air inside there gets smaller. When the air gets smaller, that means it's displacing less space. It's almost like which one will float better, a big boat or a small boat?
Big.
A big boat, right? So when the volume gets smaller, the thing doesn't float as well. And so it sinks. That's why when I squeeze the bottle,
You're a magician.
it goes down. And when I let go, it floats up. Like you can literally do this. I mean, obviously you can do this at home. You just like freak your friends out or whatever. It's not really that crazy. All right. The other thing that I showed you was this demonstration right here. I took. Let me see if I can show you guys online.
It's all in the back of your closet.
I took a Bunsen burner, or not a Bunsen, but I took a burner,
Better than two.
and I took a can, and I put a little bit of water, maybe a teaspoon of water, just a little bit, actually a little bit more, and I put it on high, and it's just on there, and it's going to start boiling pretty soon, and when it boils, no, oh, wait, so if you squeeze the bottle hard enough, the ketchup would explode. Actually, it wouldn't explode. It would implode.
Oh, can we do that?
No,
Let's
we
go.
can't. We can't do that. But I mean, you think about this. if I squeeze the bottle hard enough, will the ketchup explode?
No.
It's inside.
No, it will crumple up, right?
Can we
Because when the
check?
pressure gets high, the thing gets smaller. So it won't explode, it will implode as the pressure gets.
How much pressure would we
Here,
need to make
I'll
it
show you
explode?
guys. I'll show you guys what's
More
going on.
than 2 men.
P
And we're boys.
V
We're in
equals P V.
Justice, we need 3 men. Go find one more man.
Got it?
Okay.
PV equals PV.
Yeah.
So if I have
And you cross out the kind of the kind. You do the thing. Add the thing.
big P, then what happens to the V? If I have a big P, what happens to the V? And then a little V,
How you squeeze them.
right? So when I had large pressure, the volume got smaller. That's basically what's going on. Cool?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what happened to the can? What's going on with the can? I crushed the can from all sides without stepping on it, and I wasn't squeezing the can. In fact, I'll have.
That one's ready.
Does anyone else want to try doing?
Totally.
All right.
Oh man.
Oh no, you can go.
Well, he's 10. I'm not sure if I want to have him handle the hot stuff.
He's your son.
Okay, fine. He can do it. Is that all right with you? All right. So let me describe to you what's going to happen first, and then we'll try this. And let me tell you what to do. What we're going to do is we have been boiling this can, and let me show you, folks, the can. Here it is.
Indeed, boiling.
It is a can, and you can see the smoke coming out. Okay, wait. So
In chemistry, you waft.
when, well,
Waved.
there's no toxic gas in here. It's just it's air.
I get it.
So when steam is coming out the top, what is that telling me?
Molecules are dancing.
It's ready.
They're like
Kinetic energy.
constantly active.
Well, that means the water, the air vapor
Evaporating.
is coming out, right? And then the heated air vapor inside of there is at a lower or higher pressure.
Lower. Oh, wait, no.
If it's coming out, then it's
Yeah, higher.
It's a lower pressure.
Wow. It was right the first time. What the heck?
If I were to cover it up, then it would start building
Don't
up the
listen to
thing.
the guy with the glasses. Though.
But it's all coming out.
I'm bringing them up.
Does that make sense?
Why?
My brain's not
I don't
working.
know why.
Hey, look.
Brain freeze.
If you guys want, we can go straight to bookwork. Or if you guys want, we can do these fun demonstrations. I think they're pretty cool.
I'm totally.
All right, so here's what I'm going to do. All I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it from the bottom. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to grab it from the bottom. You're going to take it over here. And we're going to put it inside this bucket of ice. You guys see that bucket of ice? And you're going to put it upside down. So let me show you with this not hot cup. You're going to take it, and you're going to put it upside down like that.
There's boiling water.
No, this is just cold water.
No, I mean.
That's boiling water.
That's
This
why
is
you
cold
hold
water.
it over the container.
So-
and
So you're
then
gonna hold it over this, and then it's going. And then I'll tell you, it's gonna crush the thing from all sides at the same time. Why did it
Don't
do that?
drop it. The fate of
You
the
get it?
world depends on you.
All right, are you guys ready?
No pressure.
Online, can you guys see? Can you guys hear?
Your hands are also relying on you.
All right.
to burn them.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
I thought you wanted to video
I'm
this.
ready.
Okay. All right. I hope it's ready. I hope the thing's hot enough. Let's do it.
Okay,
So he's
do
gonna
it
take-
fast, kiddo.
Careful, you're in the splash
Don't
zone.
squeeze it. Take it upside down. All right.
Can't tell your mom.
Breath.
You could get that in trouble.
So, what happened?
Pressure went from
Look, I
high
crushed
to
the can.
low.
All I did was use water. Ooh, crush it with water. What happened?
Pressure went from high to low, so the volume had to, to
Pressure went from high to low.
It was like
There
a
is
seesaw.
low pressure inside here.
No, it went from low to high in the volume.
There's low pressure inside of the can, right? When I put this in here, like this, all the ice water did is cool it off real quick.
There was, but
When this thing is cool, what is pushing on our heads?
doesn't the pressure need to be high for it to implode like that? So it was.
Wait, which pressure needs to be high? The inside pressure?
I thought
Yeah.
the outside pressure.
The outside pressure.
That's what makes sense.
Yeah, I agree. The outside pressure needs to be high in order for it to implode.
Well, did it create like a vacuum?
So inside that can, there was actually a lower pressure, not a vacuum, not a perfect vacuum, but lower pressure that's inside there.
Okay.
And what happens is every square inch, there is 14.1 pounds pushing. One atmospheric is actually 14 psi. There's 14 pounds per square inch pushing on this can on every square inch. That's a lot of force pushing on that thing. And so what happened is, since there's no pressure inside, there's no like, I don't want to say a tug of war, but it's almost like that push. It's like they're pushing back and forth. But if you take away one person, right now, this can is not being crushed because inside there's the air pushing on the wall on the inside, and there's air pushing on the wall on the outside, right? So it's not being crushed. But if you take away one person, then the thing's just going to boom. And that's what happened. What crushed this can?
Air pressure.
Air. The air around us crushed this can.
That's terrifying.
Is that pretty crazy? All right.
So if you heat me up,
Next
then you put me in ice.
Next challenge.
Can you do this to him?
Next challenge.
Now, could you do that to a person, or is it only because it's metal?
No, you could do it to a person. In fact, if you
Isn't that
that's-
the
that has a
uranium
lot to do-
bullets?
no, that has a lot to do with the
Thanks, Sue.
bends. That has a lot to do with the bends. When you get the bends. All right. We're going to talk about straws for a little bit. Maston, I'll challenge you.
Challenge me.
All right, fine. Tejas, I'll challenge you.
Things with cups and drinks usually go well.
Here, Tejas. Come on up. I'll
I'm
challenge you.
saying I'm the
Let's-
baseball champion.
Let's
But I am.
let's do this. Let's heat this up while we wait.
So if we take a cold one,
So, here, I'm challenging Tejas. Open up 2 of these.
wait, Mr. Daldez.
Yo.
But if we take a cold can and put it in boiling hot water, does that mean it'll explode?
Let's try. We'll wait for that water to boil.
What have I done?
You're like, sweet.
Yep.
I'll be honest with you, I want you guys to stand back on that one. Okay, so we have a cup of water. Why don't you make sure they're even levels? And I'll challenge you to a chugging contest.
Don't worry, guys. In South Carolina, we did this thing called the bullet
They're
challenge. We got
almost
bullets.
All right,
We threw them into the
give me the
fire.
one you want me to drink.
And if it didn't hit you, you win.
All right, here we go. Okay, you ready? All right,
And if
So-
it hit you, you die.
I challenge you to a drinking contest. What you got to do is you got to take the straws, put them together like this, hold them together like this.
Where's my bullet?
You got to take one straw, put it on the inside, one straw, put it on the outside.
I think it's a little higher.
And whoever can drink this the fastest wins. Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
What a
Not
cheater,
even
Mr.
putting it
Dalton!
Not even putting it in
That's
your
so
mouth.
cheap.
You just stick your finger in your mouth.
So cheap.
Done.
You're sticking it in your mouth.
Okay.
The other one was
But I've
in
been
his mouth.
practicing.
When I was sucking with this one, I got a lot of air.
Wait. So wait. What's? Wait. Who cheated?
You.
Why did I cheat? How did I cheat?
You only
saw
drank
the
from
fish
one.
not slip out of your mouth.
Well,
Just
I put it back in.
He's holding one closed.
We're on to you,
I
Dalton.
don't trust you.
All right. Why can't you drink with 2 straws?
Because there's an air intake, so it's just going
Here. You guys want to try?
It's basically an
Go get
Actually,
alcohol.
yes, I do.
kind of.
Yeah. Here.
Not up to you. That's disgusting.
No. Go get. There's a bunch of straws in the Jack in the Box bag.
That's crazy.
Jack in the Box. That's why you
Go grab
can't
a bunch of
drink
straws.
with a
I'm
straw
trying to
when
drink
it's
out of both of
cracked. When you have a cracked straw, you can't drink with it.
You can't drink out of both of them. Why? Why can't you drink? Yes.
Because it's
First of all, that's going to be really hot when
man,
you touch
teach
that.
me
Oh
how to
yeah,
teach
that's a
you.
good idea.
Fuck,
Take that off. All
Don't play Mr. Okay. Dalton's drinking
I
games.
just
wanted to tell you about that.
Mr.
Okay.
Dalton, this is incredible. It's
Wait,
better
try
than beer
it.
pong.
You don't think so?
All right, fine. Why don't you guys try it for yourselves? Go get some cups. Do we have cups? You guys have enough cups?
There's some right there.
So you guys can drink out of this cup. I
Listen,
mean,
don't
even though I
look
drank
at
out
the
of this
thing.
cup,
We try
it's,
and drink
I
glass,
just use a
not
straw. So here,
What the?
use 2 cups, take 1 straw, put it outside, take 1 straw, put it inside, and drink the water. Why can't you do it?
Just the water in the. That's magical water that'll crush your hand. Careful.
Yeah,
That'll turn you into the Hulk.
that is a can crushing water right there.
This is mystical water.
Yeah, do it in front of the camera. I want to see if they can see. In fact, those of you at home, do this.
This is incredible. So now I just.
You want to try?
No.
Why not? If you do it right, which is wrong, then you don't get anything. Like nothing comes out.
I'm calling you BS, man.
Focus in on one. Suck both at the same time.
God, what the?
Use both.
Mr.
straws.
Daldy, did you close one?
Focus on the
I
one
want
in the
to know
water.
your secret.
I'm getting some here, Dalton. This may take a while.
Yeah,
Oh, I swallowed.
I got my cup down pretty
I
well.
breathed it.
yeah. I'm impressed. I didn't think that you would do it.
You
But
cheated.
it's really hard.
Did you figure out what I did?
You bit one down.
I
Or
put
you
one.
sucked it,
I
like,
put my tongue
right
over
here.
one of them,
Yeah.
and I just drank regular. So I was only effectively drinking at 1 straw.
That's why I said you cheat.
Well, that's not
This
cheating.
is insane.
Look
Look
like someone from Breaking Bad in there.
All right. Have a seat. Let's talk about it.
But it's like the same. It's like the same.
Dalton, this is incredible.
If there
It's
was
like
white
the
powder,
same
and that was
Got
the
it.
out of the crack, that would make
You
more
can't
sense.
drink out of a
I
crack
got
straw.
it.
Like, why is this not? Why are you guys having so much of yours like and not
Air's
drinking
coming
anything?
in and going back in.
All right, wait. How do you make a straw? Not necessarily
Right.
how do you make a straw. How does a straw work? Here's my question.
Vacuum, you're sucking
Yeah.
it in,
All
and
right.
it closes as water enters.
So you got a straw. Here's your mouth. In your mouth, you are pushing your diaphragm down, and that makes kind of like this bigger space, and then that actually makes a vacuum. You're actually you're not making a vacuum like a perfect vacuum, but you're making a lower pressure inside of your mouth when you suck in your cheeks there. Got it? Your body is naturally doing that. So over here, your mouth is enclosed around the straw, and you've got the small pressure. Well, what happens is around the surface of the water, for every square inch that's over here, there's a pressure pushing down on it. Would you like to know how many pounds of force is pushing?
14
14
PSI,
pounds.
bro.
14 pounds is pushing on every single square inch of that liquid.
So maybe.
If you have you have that same tug of war happening over here, where if you have a lower pressure over here, but a higher pressure pushing this water up over here, what's going to happen to the water? The water is going to go up the straw and into your mouth. We cool? So, what's going on is the way a straw works is it's not you sucking the liquid up. It's actually you making a vacuum in your mouth, and the air is pushing the liquid into your mouth. You know what? You want to know something kind of crazy? And this is, I thought, was always the dumbest thing. People who design things are sometimes smart, but sometimes people aren't very smart. And here's an example where I thought, wow, that was very stupid the way they designed it. I went out and bought baby cups one time for my kids, right? And we had these baby cups, and there's this baby cup where they're like anti-spill. This thing will not spill, right? It was still a cheap company, but they made this baby cup where they had this. And so when you turn it upside down, it had a built-in straw
Oh, I had one of those. It was missing.
Oh, yeah.
inside of the thing. It had a built-in straw and a screw-on cap. You guys,
screw on that straw all the time.
No,
Right.
I drank straight out of the Jack Daniels.
but it was a silicone straw, so you wouldn't break this thing, right? Are we cool with
I
this?
feel like I'm the one who should have.
And then what they did was they made this thing airtight.
Oh,
It was an airtight seal. They had a rubber around it, right?
okay.
That cup was dumb. Why?
There's no air to push down on it or to enter, so basically it's floating.
So basically, when you're sucking up here, eventually the liquid will come out over here, but that will make the gas decrease in pressure because there's no air to kind of go back inside. And so basically your straw or your sippy cup doesn't work. You take a sip of it, you get half of a sip, and then it stops working. You can't get anything out of it. Because there's no air coming down into it. You see how stupid this design is?
pretty.
No, I looked at this and I was like, that's stupid. They shouldn't do that. I wrote a letter to the company.
At least it prevents
Did
your
they?
teeth
But
from
did
choking.
they actually read it?
No, I don't think it did.
Okay.
I think they did. I don't care.
I'm a physicist. This is stupid.
For a second there, you did.
You know what they? You know what? I bet you they said. I bet you they said.
Maybe we
You're
should
an
go-
adult and you take adult sips. These are kids. They take kid sips.
I'm an adult.
And then they let go and then they sip some more. All right. Anyway, that's how straws work. Let's talk more about how straws work. And here's my question to you. I think this will be a lot of fun. Let's fill this. I wanted to use that thing. Yeah, let's use that. Sure. Oh no.
Oh no.
All right.
Get
Let's
the
do
Looks like we're cleaning up. I thought we all gave that. Well,
Now we know who the real people are.
the real people.
Oh, nasty.
Where are you guys going?
They're looking for napkins.
You guys making out back there? The paper's over here.
Oh my god, okay. Too much. Oh my god.
All right. Here we go.
Oh, now you're pulling back up fast.
Oh, bubbling water. Awesome.
just because you can't be as genius as me.
Your pot's boiling.
Yeah. Let me go grab something real quick.
Contribute.
You know, boiled pot just makes grass, right?
What?
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 Boiled
You
pot makes
would.
grass?
You would bring that up.
How?
Wait. So grass is
Pot?
hot?
Just like not boiled.
Can I unboil it?
That would be an
I
innovation
want
to
to see if
mankind.
this thing works. I don't know if this works.
I'll become the next Narcos.
We'll try this one.
You guys?
Hey, you guys online? Can you guys still see? Can you guys
Clearly,
hear?
I said
a bunch of
pot,
men
not
got
crystal
together and
meth.
tried to clean
Jesus.
something up here.
Can you guys hear and see? All
We suck.
right, cool. I
That's
just
because
wanna-
he was an actual dude.
All right, I'm
This
gonna
show's
put.
fun.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah. It's better than Daredevil, man.
I'll just put this over here. What's gonna happen to the balloon?
It's gonna fill up.
Daredevil?
Takes so
Narcos
long.
or Daredevil?
Narcos.
Both.
All right.
Punisher is going to be the
Burn
next
your
Daredevil.
finger.
Daredevil
That
is
sucks.
cool. It's
Can't-
well done.
Can't grab
Use
it.
the chips of it.
Yeah, Dalday, I took your
I can't
recommendation.
use the tips of it either. Let's see.
Sipping on.
Well, here's what my question is. If I take this now and I put this in here, what's gonna happen?
Actually, why not just use this?
Oh yeah.
Put it right here.
All right, this demonstration didn't work very well.
Literally,
What I wanted to do is when I put it in there, it's gonna blow up, but when I put it in here, it's actually gonna suck the balloon inside.
Just all day.
Yeah, that's pretty
Why not
cool.
just use this?
What is
Just,
that?
like hold it. The
Hold-
paper towel.
Oh, yeah, I guess I could do that. But why don't we try this? I'm gonna take a little field trip. We're gonna go. I hate to say this. Oh wait, you wanted to take a
Yeah, cold one and put it in
cold one and put it in there. So wait, you want me to just take this and put it inside?
there. No,
No.
get a
that,
can and make it cold.
Okay,
And then
Leave it
can
in there for a little bit.
make it cold.
Make that sucker freezing. And then put it in there.
Should I empty out the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a gas thing, right? So
Yeah. Just let it sit in there for a little bit. Right?
The caption.
And then we're gonna assume it's gonna explode.
you think so?
I'm assuming.
All right, let's
reverse.
Let's
And-
stand back and I'll
Or
do
maybe
it.
we would like rock it up.
Do me a favor. Do you know where the safety goggles are?
Yeah, we should get some of those. We're gonna make something explode.
I got goggles.
No, that doesn't work.
Huh?
All right, so we're gonna do an experiment here.
Bradley on? What's up, Bradley?
You're saying that if I have a cold can and I put it inside the hot water, or if I have a hot can and I put it in the cold water, it implodes. So you're saying the opposite is going to be true. If I take a cold can, which I think is sufficiently cold now.
I'm
Yeah.
just, I mean, I'm not
Aluminum.
saying it's gonna happen. I'm just hoping
Think
it's gonna
fast.
happen.
Yeah, let's not throw stuff around the boiling water.
Yeah.
What a fantastic
That might
idea.
be smart.
All right, here we go.
They call me Six Eyes.
Here we go. Can I have another one?
Yes, they call me somebody.
But that's only 4.
Oh, I was missing one.
Dude, you have two.
Listen to
Everyone
me. Realize.
Before.
Realize. You'll realize.
All right. So
I do have realized.
Right here.
we are up and running. I've got a can inside of water, right there. That is very cold water. I'm gonna take this thing out. I'm gonna dump it out.
Jack could die in that water.
All right. I'm gonna dump out the liquid because this is a gas law, so we need to do gases. I'm gonna take it over here. I'm gonna move the
I believe
Chromebook.
too, Bradley.
I'm gonna move the Chromebook.
Actually, if
Right
it's
here.
gonna explode, I shouldn't be right here.
Yeah, I know. It's probably like.
I'd like for you guys to back up. I've got a pot of boiling water. I think that maybe you guys can just.
So it is
assume it's
definitely
boiling.
going to explode. That's what you're saying.
Hopefully.
Okay, wait, we should video this thing.
Are you ready?
Wait.
I don't think it's gonna do anything, guys.
Yeah, no.
That was a bummer.
I'm sorry.
Hey, it's bubbling.
No, I'm
Try it again.
Go ahead.
Well, here's what we could do. We
It
could
increased bubbles though, like they were
we
bubbles.
could take a
around
little bit of the water, put it inside. We take a little bit of the water. We'll implode it again. Put that thing directly on there.
Oh, I didn't get the bang part. Dang it.
Dude, you had one job.
One job.
Boiling it. It should boil pretty quick because it's hot water in there. And then where can I put this?
All of you, though, you all win.
No,
it.
I was
Especially
just
since
like,
right here.
I was like,
Yeah. Thanks for that.
Is this thing still on?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Hold on. Is it boiling yet? You want to implode it again?
I want to
Yes.
do this. Yes.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Can we both hold one?
All right, we'll
I'll tell you what.
Let's do it.
Why don't you do the big
Alright.
can and we'll do it after class? But you
Oh,
can do
never mind.
this one now.
You can do this one. You can do this
You
one.
want to do the big can?
I'll do the big hand.
Okay, I'm totally doing the big can.
But wait, it's got to boil first.
I can still be ready.
Get those clampers ready.
I wonder if it's hot enough.
You're doing the big can. That's your job.
Yeah, there we go. There's steam coming out. All right. I don't know if it's hot enough, but we can try it.
Wow,
Okay, you ready?
Wow. That was. Wow. I didn't record
So
anything.
All right, there we go.
Grab it from the bottom, and then just.
Yeah, it could be hotter, but if you're impatient, we can do it now.
Oh no, I'm patient.
Well, I mean, I want to move on to the next thing.
So be patient.
So I'm impatient. Go, do it. Put it upside down. That's pretty cool.
That was gnarly.
All right. Oh, for those of you who didn't see, there you go. Look how much water went inside. I think that's pretty crazy. All right. Anyway, let's take a field trip. Let's go talk. Actually, here's my question to you. How long? Let's see. Let's have a competition. Again. I promise I won't cheat.
Well, technically, you didn't cheat the first one.
Oh God.
All right.
Cheaters never win, Holiday.
So I've got a straw. Is there a shorter straw over
Oh
there?
no, that's a long straw.
Okay, here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to get a paper towel and wipe off the end, and we can drink from the straw. Or maybe we could just cut it shorter every time. Do you guys mind? Is that all right with
I
you?
mean, I'm cool with it. I have Ebola already, so.
You what?
Wow.
Really?
And you made the Ebola joke.
All right. Anyway, I got a straw,
What did he say?
and can you drink through this
Should we turn
piece
it
of
off?
straw? What? I turned it off.
Oh,
All right, so I've got a bottle of water down here, and can you drink through this piece of straw? And just to make it interesting, I think what we should do is probably put some red food coloring so we can see the liquid nicely in there. So we'll get some of that, put it in there. But can you drink this water from here? Sure.
That was on the floor.
Why would you?
There you go. I got the water up in there.
For
Um,
like.
Let's get some red food coloring and just put it inside there. I wish I had some Kool-Aid or something like that. But here's what I want to do: is I'm going to test to see how long of a straw I can drink from. And what I mean by that is not necessarily how long of a straw I can drink from, because I bet you I can drink from this straw right now. Easy. No problem. You guys want to see it?
No, I believe you.
This is the super long straw. You ready? You You got that red food coloring?
I don't know what the red food color.
So what are you gonna put in there?
Magic marker.
Oh no, here I'll go get red food coloring. I know where it is.
Squeeze some marker in there.
Dude, that'd be gross.
You get the scented ones that taste like cherry.
Yeah. No, bro, the best one's cinnamon.
I'm saying you should play a little too.
They showed nothing, but it was a good video.
Should we make it red? Alright, you guys mind blue food coloring? Here, we'll put a couple drops of blue food coloring in here.
He went banging right after that. I was like,
My Snapchat delays when I record, which is annoying.
Alright, here we go.
Are you doing it off screen or no? This is flat on. Hi. Is
Tated flip. But call high.
Alright, I got some water
my pocket's good.
with blue food coloring inside here. Alright,
Nice.
we're gonna have a challenge. First of all, let me prove to you that this is not hard. I've got a 35-foot straw. Sucker's long. I'm going to put this inside here, and I'm going to drink through the 35-foot straw.
It's like a roller coaster.
Alright, I did it. 35-foot straw. That was not hard. Got it?
Did it taste like plastic at any point?
No. It was
Oh,
fine.
alright.
Alright, anyway, so here's my question to you. Is let's see if we can do this. But we're talking about... Oh. He's saying he didn't see anything. Did he do it? You guys, because the water looks clear.
He did it.
Okay. Let me just untangle my straw.
I'll probably pick up the edge of
Hey,
your
got it.
stuff.
This lecture.
Hold on to that. Yeah.
So,
It's your fault.
Really?
I just
Oh yeah, I get it. Here.
oh, you did it at the same time.
All right.
Clever.
Oh, now it works.
Anyway, let's see how much you guys suck.
I'm doing that.
Huh?
We suck.
Yeah, you guys really suck.
I don't know.
We're gonna see who sucks the most.
You wiped this off all day? I don't want all day germs.
I didn't wipe it off yet,
Okay.
but I didn't say drink it either. All right, here we go.
Oh, you getting a napkin?
Yes, please.
All right, I apologize for those of you online. I might just have to pause this recording and then we'll walk around. We'll do this. We'll see how high they can drink. Got it? So, anyway, do you guys think you guys can do 20 feet? Because why could I do the 35-foot straw already?
Low air pressure and air.
How come I could do it right now? Because I bet you none of you guys can do it if you guys are 35 feet high.
Oh, what?
I can do it if I'm 35 feet away.
Yeah, because there's no gravity. There's like not.
But if
much
you're 35
gravity.
feet high, I bet you none of you can do
Yeah,
it.
because the gravity.
No, because the pressure
But if
changes.
I'm 35 feet high, my lungs are also adapted to that.
Because the pressure
So,
changes.
You're 35 feet high now. It's not a big deal about your lungs.
Okay.
Come on.
I thought you meant like size-wise. If I was standing on the earth, I'm 35 feet
All
tall.
right. Anyway, let's see how long of a straw we can drink through. Got it? Then let's see who can win. We'll see who can provide the most.
We're standing on Pluto.
Yeah, I guess I can't really
Most
stand on like
suction.
Jupiter either. I go right through.
And all it is water and food coloring, so I'm not going to poison you. Got it? All right, someone grab the water. Someone grab the straw. I'll grab the
I'm totally ready.
computer. Here's what we're going to do. Kai, you're going to go to the bottom floor with the bottom. I'm going to go to the middle floor, and the rest of the class, you guys are going to go to the top floor. You guys can share. What you're going to do, Maston, is you're going to be at the top floor. You're going to
on the top.
We're going to go over to the stairs. You're going to lower the
Another floor after
straw, one end of the straw. You're gonna go lower one down the straw, and he's gonna put it inside of the bucket and
I'm
make sure
sorry,
it
did
stays
you
there.
say we're gonna share a straw?
Yeah,
man.
go bring a
Unless you want like scissors to cut it off every time.
bring a scissors and we can cut it off every time.
You know, getting mono.
No, dude.
I won't be, guys. I won't be drinking from it.
Can you guys see me?
I was.
Can you hear? All right, I'm going to do my best to record this. It might drop out. I apologize if it does. This is why doing labs on what you call it is tough. Hey, you guys, let's all go to the second floor. Shh. Let's all go to the second floor. I don't think you guys can even do the third floor. Oh, Ben. Did you guys happen to see a tape measure upstairs? Yeah. Maston, come on down to the second floor.
I'm coming down.
Ew, touch the ground.
That's all right. That's not the side you're drinking from.
But you're drinking all the dirt that he's putting in there.
All right, you ready? Maston's gonna suck. Shh, quiet down. Come on, Maston. All right, Ben. Where did it go?
It's still going up.
Yeah. Look at the top one. Look at the top one. It's right there. I see it. It's at that line right there. Dude, this guy's going beast mode. All right. It's right there.
Keep going.
I want a pen and I can mark it for you. Are you done? All right. You guys, he's losing it. He's gonna stop at some point, and then you guys got to tell me where you think it measured. Dude, I didn't think it would last that long. Where is it? I can't see it. Well, actually, here's what it is. It's right here. You guys, it's right here. It's down here.
Let's go down. Go. You're losing it.
I'd say your best is right over. Come on, keep doing it. Keep going. It's right over. Dude, he's getting it.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay. Dude. All right.
That's it. Keep sucking that.
It's right here. All right, there's his top right there. He's still going though. It's over.
Come on, Madison.
Are you seriously keep going? It's down here now. You're past your highest spot. His face is getting red. Hey, someone go behind. Make sure he doesn't pass out and fall down the stairs.
I'll catch him. Alright.
All right. Someone give me a pen. I need to figure out exactly. Hey, Cameron. Can you go find me that pen you guys were using? Justice, can you be my cameraman?
Alright. Where? Right here?
Well, make sure you just. I need to measure this. All right, who's up next? Maston, you did amazing. I want to go next. All right, Connie wants to be next. Yes. That's crazy. I didn't think you were gonna do that. Is that 12? That's more than 12 feet. All right, here's Maston right here. All right, Cameron. Don't get the bubbles, but get the.
Look for that watch.
Look for the main. Look for the major part.
You get about like 17 in. Does your tongue feel like it's trying to suck out of the tongue? Yeah. You're all red. I know. I felt like I was gonna pass out. Pass out. I got right about. Where was it? Here? Yeah.
Oh, this is right here.
Here? I was so close. Why didn't you guys cheer me on?
Dude, we were telling you to suck it.
If you snapped out, we'll measure it. Maybe go grab you're gonna see. Yeah, there we go.
Can you guys see, or do you need me to? Wait, whose water is that at the top? Oh, bro, the water's going high. Oh, Cutty, who knew you could suck so well? Do you see it, Cameron?
Yeah.
Dude, that's like way above Maston's.
It's not laughing.
Bruh, keep sucking! Oh, no!
At its highest, it was right here.
Your mouth's gonna have this.
Yeah,
You
you.
hear the drops coming in.
Come
Come on, baby.
I don't know.
No, he beat Cutty already. I mean, he beat Maston already.
Well, at its highest, it was right here.
Yeah, his highest is right there.
It's right here.
Its highest is right here.
I got an idea. High.
At its highest, it was right here.
Maston, what's the reading? 21 feet. All right, who wants to go next?
Oh, he's still going?
I thought he gave up. Wait, is it? Where is it? Is it up there? Is it up there? It's up there.
Oh, he kept slumping. No, yeah, it's about the same spot. No, it's about a couple inches more.
Oh, wait, no, what is that? What is that? Is that a bubble?
I'm not sure.
You're not sucking, right? Are you bending the straw? Okay, alright, that's nothing. That's just a piece of.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's a bubble. Okay,
So 21 feet.
so 21 feet. He's 21. No, I'm holding on to it. Okay, who wants to go next? Ben? Alright, do it. Let's watch the little
Oh
kid
my
beat you guys.
Wow.
Alright, Ben, go for it.
Why did it taste funny?
Yeah, you can do it.
Who knew you could suck so well? There's a water fountain
There it is.
I can practice it.
Keep going, Ben.
What are you doing, Master?
You're almost at Maston's line.
Dude, if you beat Maston, I will be surprised.
What was I at?
21.
You're at 21 feet.
Awesome.
Here's Ben.
Still
Oh,
going.
Still going.
What is it?
Oh, he's going even higher.
Wait, it's going.
Keep sucking, Ben.
You're about 25. Oh,
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
All the way.
Come on! Come on, you can be cut. You keep going.
Oh.
Keep going. Oh, he beat cut. No.
I don't know.
No, not yet, not yet.
Keep going,
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Yeah, he's
Tejas, make sure he
he
doesn't
beat
pass
cut
out.
you. He beat cut you.
Go down on one knee. Now you. Yeah. Can you, boy?
Yeah, he's still, he's up there.
No, it's. Did it go
Oh,
down?
it fell. It's,
Where is it now? It's all bubbly.
yeah.
Yeah, no, that's the measurement. What is it?
He beat cut you.
You are. Yeah.
Tejas, your turn.
Go get a drink of water. You deserve it. It's only Ebola. I got it.
There you go.
I got it.
No, I'm sick.
Alright, go for it, Tejas. Your turn.
Can I like rest this right here?
That's it. Catch.
Where's the
Got
midfield?
it. Don't worry, I got it.
There it is.
I would, but I don't want to get this another
It's down there.
There's like water.
Is there?
That was when you dropped it. It's still that's when I dropped it. Yeah.
Good job.
Come on, at least get it high enough to have me measure it.
You gotta go drink water. Your mouth is gonna be like horrible.
Yeah, I'm on it. You just lost that.
Alright, here we go. Masson. It was down here.
Yeah. My legs missed. 13 feet.
Alright, 13 feet contagious.
You got up to 21.6 feet.
Wait,
Alright,
so
I'm
that
ready.
means,
Your turn.
Huh?
Cameron, you want to go?
who got the highest?
Shannon? Dude, where'd the girl go?
Who's the highest?
You?
Really?
Yeah. Shannon. Why don't you try it?
Don't pass out. Yeah.
You don't want to try it? Okay. Alright, let's go. Let the water out. Just let go of that.
I got it. No, man, I got it.
Go for it, Tejas. You can drop it.
I got it.
You're at 13 feet.
Don't worry, I got it.
Boy, Tejas.
No, man, I got it.
Tejas.
I got it.
You're not moving.
Okay, go. Drop it. Masson. Hockey. Make sure the floor's not wet. Get paper towels.
I feel like that's actually something.
Bye.
Please don't drop that.
I'm not gonna drop it.
It looks like we have a winner.
Yeah, there's something.
A little kid.
He's like the average kid.
You suck.
Yes.
was good.
Yeah.
The other one was good from our last lab.
Yeah.
That's
I get the best ones. Relax. Do I have your phone? What's your
I got kicked out of the conference.
So I wonder how many of the kids online actually watched that.
I don't know.
All they saw was the straw.
I hope they didn't get bored. I think Andrew Cross is the only one who didn't drop out.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
What up, Andrew? Can you hear my voice?
We can drop this. Honestly, explodes.
Drop this on the third floor. Be like a nuclear bomb.
You guys all right? Justice, you didn't want to try?
No, I'm not feeling good.
Oh, okay. Tejas, that was... Wait. No, Tejas, you didn't do it very well.
I didn't do well.
That was
No,
kind of
Worse,
disappointing.
you only got 12 for your A.
No, Masson got-
did.
Well, we didn't actually use the tape measure.
Yeah. we
No,
didn't
but you
use-
got half the.
I also didn't spend as much time on it as them. They kept going and going.
I know. I thought you guys were just going to suck and then go. All right, anyway, sorry about that. Hey, what's going on? How much of that could you... Can you hear me, Andrew? Look, I apologize if this thing didn't really work. I knew it wouldn't work when we go walk around and that kind of stuff, so. Can you hear me? Audio check, video check. Audio and video check. Okay, he was cutting out in and out, but he saw all of it. Well, here's my question is, I'm trying to think of like, I'll be honest with you, I'm trying to think of the equations off the top of my head, and I can't remember them. This is getting into a little bit of physics, to be honest with you, but I think that I can figure it out.
It's not floating.
Let's see.
You broke it.
He broke it.
Okay. Let me look something up real quick, because I just want to double check my equations, and then I can explain it to you.
Drinking ice water out of the bucket.
I think there were fish in there before.
Yeah.
It's a team.
Oh, no, it was that one. The one with the shark.
I have been lying in
Yeah,
the dark.
you can see the fish that's actually in there.
Wait.
Okay, wait, let me just
Decreases the pressure at the top, and the difference in pressure between your mouth and atmospheric pressure in the straw has a weight, which is equal to the density of fluid times its height times.
Oh, I'm totally telling you
Okay.
slow-mo. Guess what we did in audits today?
We suck the straw.
We sucked all day. Just suck.
Your mom is gonna take that very, very wrong.
All right.
That's the point.
Anyway, here, let me show you guys some math, because obviously there's some math that's associated with this.
We got chewed out downstairs.
Yeah.
The guys.
Oh.
But I took care of it.
He's good at talking to adults. I'm not.
What happened?
Well, they want us to provide our own cleaning materials next
Oh.
time we do that,
Okay.
and they want permission before we go down there and get everything wet, which
Okay.
wasn't our intention.
Yeah, definitely.
But
I'll
yeah, I explained. It's all
I'll
technical.
probably be in trouble for that.
No,
Things happen.
I took the blame.
All right. Anyway, so check this out. Let me show you. Sit down, dude. No, sit down. Go sit down, Ben.
I should have got one of you, man.
All right, let me show you guys the math behind it.
Put a little boy right there.
Why did I say you can't suck out of you can't go 35 feet? Like, here's my question: can Superman do it?
Yes.
Superman can do anything.
No.
Superman
Tejas, shut up.
Superman
Tejas.
cannot.
Tejas, Justice, I am
Superman
so
has, like,
sorry.
wind blowing abilities and
Woo!
You took it, man. You took it very offensive video.
Superman cannot drink out of a 35-foot straw.
Why not?
How sad, huh?
Mr. Dolly, you're ruining my childhood.
I'm just saying.
Oh my god.
It's actually.
All I think about is-
I mean, here, look, check this out. Ready?
You guys, it depends on the volume of your.
No.
Say that.
There's a lot more involved.
Say that. How does a barometer work?
I've heard something.
You guys, hey, bring it back. Come on. What do we got? We take a test tube, and we take our pipe or something like that that's closed off in the end, and we put it upside down inside of like a container. And then what we have is, or like we take a tube. We take a tube that is curved. Like that.
Why are you laughing?
It's a cane.
And then we put mercury inside. Let's pretend that this is Superman. So he drinks mercury, apparently. Don't try drinking liquid mercury; it will kill you.
Wait, so drink mercury to not become Superman.
So anyway, there's mercury inside here. Okay.
Freddie Mercury.
So over here, Superman creates a perfect vacuum. The pressure is equal to 0 ATM. No ATM. Got it?
Yeah.
What's the pressure out here?
14-ish?
Well, 1.
1 ATM.
1 ATM or 14 psi, right? How high will this thing go?
1.
How high will this thing go? How many millimeters will that go? Remember, this is mercury, Hg. How high will this go? I'll tell you. 760 millimeters. Do you guys recognize this number? 760 mmHg? This is how high the mercury would go if there's 1 atmosphere of pressure. And it cannot go higher than that. Would you like to know why it cannot go higher than that?
Yes. Elaborate.
Because you would need more pressure on the outside, but you only have 1 ATM. If you had more pressure, then it might go higher, but it can't go higher than that. Does that make sense to you? So, no matter, even if you made a perfect vacuum, no pressure whatsoever, you can't have negative pressure, that doesn't make sense. But no pressure whatsoever, this thing, the mercury will only go up 760 millimeters up high. In fact, this is exactly how a barometer works. Remember I was trying to explain to you guys how it works? It's basically a straw that has a perfect vacuum at the top. And then you see how high it goes, and then that tells you how much pressure is on the outside for that day. So, let's talk about some math. And this is not chemistry math, this is actually physics math. So I apologize if it's too, it's not off topic, it's just I apologize if maybe you're a little scared because it's confusing or whatever. Let me see if I can explain it in as easy way as possible. Cool? The straw works because you have low pressure over here. I'm going to call that P, let's call it PL. Okay? And then over here you have high pressure, so I'm going to call that pH. Got it? The amount of suck that you can do is the difference in pressure. It's your pH minus PL. If the difference in pressure is big, then you suck more. And if it's small, then you're not really sucking that much because your low pressure is almost as high as the high pressure. Does that make sense? Pressure is a measurement of what? You guys know?
Dense
pressure.
Is a measure of, I told this to you before, once before. Force per square inch. Force divided by area. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And what is the area that we're talking about here? We're talking about the area of the straw. So small straw. So how much force are you going to provide? Whatever the pressure difference times the area. Are we cool with that? All right. What is the force that is pushing down on this? This is a little bit tough.
pushing down.
What is the force that is pulling down on this? It's gravity, but it's the gravity of the liquid. It's the weight of the liquid. Does that make sense? Yeah. The weight of the liquid.
The force?
Well, it would be the mass times gravity. whatever the mass of that liquid is times gravity. And how much mass do we have? All right, here's where it gets into a little bit of physics. Actually, this is straight up chemistry. You guys should know how to do this. Density is mass over volume. We cool with that? Density is mass over volume. So can I just say mass is equal to density times volume? Can I say that? And then volume would be, what's the volume of the liquid that's inside of this straw? That would be area times the height. AH. Did that confuse anybody? How much liquid is in the straw? Well, it depends on how high it is, and it also depends on the cross-sectional area of the straw. Are we cool with that? Okay, so I'm just going to plug this into here, and I'll plug this into here. So what I have is this equation. Area is equal to pH minus PL is equal to rho AHG. All I did was I took this equation, and instead of writing force, I put mg. Instead of writing m, I put rho ah. Nothing crazy, right? All right. Area cancels area. Solve for h. H is equal to pH minus PL divided by rho g. We cool? I just took the rho and the g and put them downstairs. That's it. If PL, the pressure low, was 0, because say that he made a perfect vacuum, then that would be your new equation. We cool? This is 1 atm. The density of water, this is 1 atm, but I'm going to make this in pascals. And I think that it was pascals was 101,000 pascals. The reason why I made it into pascals instead of atm is because I know what the density of water is in SI units. And so this would be 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. No, yeah, per meter cubed. And then the gravity is 9.81. If you plug those numbers in, the answer you'll get is 34. Or, no, not 34, but if you plug those numbers in, I think the answer you'll get is like 6 or something. What'd you get? Oh, okay. Andre, can you get Siri to help me out with that? What are the numbers on that? Oh, I gotta leave. After this, you guys can go. We won't do the last lap.
Can we save that for another day?
101,000 divided by 1,000 divided by 10.
The answer is 10.1.
10.1 meters, 2 feet.
That would be 0.33 feet.
Wait, 10.1 meters, 2 feet.
What would you like to convert into feet?
10 meters to feet.
That would be 32.81 feet.
There we go. So, this thing, even if you provided a perfect vacuum, you can't get it past 32 feet. No matter what. Your straw cannot be longer than 32 feet because you can't drink something 32 feet below you.
I wish I could get a perfect vacuum. I mean,
Yeah,
I know that
sometimes I
wouldn't
feel
like
like
really.
you guys have perfect vacuums inside your heads.
That's harsh.
Savage.
Anyway, that's it. I did a bunch of demonstrations. I thought that was cool. I thought that was fun. If you want, we can boil another big can and see if we can implode the big can because I think that's fun. But I'm done with my lab.
I have to go as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
we were gonna boil the big can.
I was gonna boil the big can, and now I'm sad.
You could probably do it at home.
Guys,
I plan on it.
Just explain to your mom what you're doing, and
I'll tell her Mr.
Be
Dalton
safe.
told me to cook drugs or something.
yeah, don't do that.
Alright. Drugs? Do that? Okay.
Anyway, I'm done with my lab. I hope you guys had fun.
Alright.
You guys want to explode that or implode that?
I would explode it.
That's the input.